Hi, Ross here. So Neil asked me if I'd be interested in performing a small role on his new album Joseph Part 2, The Restoration. And of course it's always an honour to be asked by Neil to collaborate with him, and this is no different. I play the role of the butler, which is perfectly appropriate for an Englishman, and I perform on 3 tracks. My Dream, which sees myself, Neil and Nick DiVirgilio sort of reuniting again, which is really cool. There's another great piece called Dreamer in the Jailhouse, which is a bit of a sort of synth rocker. I love that one. And a Gentle Giant inspired piece called The Argument. That was a lot of fun to be a part of, actually. So the album's out this month. It was a great experience to work on this. Something outside of my comfort zone a little bit, doing something theatre-esque, and I really love that challenge as a singer. Neil has a great ear for sort of figuring out in his mind which voices will work with what, and I think he chose a fantastic role for me, and I really appreciate the experience and opportunity. So I hope you guys enjoy the record as much as we had performing on it. I'll certainly speak for myself there. And yeah, it's out this month, so you go and get yourself a copy and enjoy it.